So once you figured out that the volume, as far as I can tell, the volume of the compressed piston is 1.78 times 10 to the minus 4 meters cubed. So then what you want to do is you want to break the seal on this thing and lift it up like this and then connect the seal again. And so again, we're still at room temperature. And the pressure is 99.5 kilopascals, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the hot bath. Again, this has a temperature probe in it. I'm also measuring the pressure over here. I'm going to put this in the hot bath, and we're going to see what pressure I get up to. Now, a clever thing to do is to push down on this, because the pressure is going up. The pressure now is at 1.7 kilopascals. A clever thing to do is push down on this because the pressure is going up, and you don't want to pop the cork off the top of this thing, which would be bad. So I'm getting about 1.7 kilopascals, and you can kind of sit and wait here and wait for the temperature to go up. Unfortunately, the temperature. Stephen, you want to walk around and show the graph?
Sure.
The confusing thing is that it takes a while for the temperature probe to equilibrate. So I had a peak of 107 kilopascals earlier, but because of the leaks in the tube, it's sort of down right now. I'm all the way down to 106 kilopascals. Meanwhile, the temperature is still climbing. So I think, so there's a couple different things you could do, but at the end of the day, assuming 30 to 35 degrees for the temperature, gives you a pretty good result with the ideal gas law. So it's kind of going to asymptote if you watch it for long enough, but the confusing part is that now the pressure is down to 105 kilopascals. So basically, because of this time lag, it seems safe to assume that at the time that I got 107 kilopascals, the gas is probably somewhere between 30 and 40 degrees. And so that's about as good as you're going to be able to get it. So now I'm going to take this out of the heat bath. So I'm going to take this out because remember the pressure is dropping, right? So what I want to do is I want to do this experiment over again. So I'm going to break the seal again and let it go down to, so now we're back at room temperature, 98.8 kilopascal, 99, something like that. I'm going to let it cool down. I'm going to put this in a cold bath if I want to. But basically I'm going to do exactly the same thing I just did, but now once it's hot, it's going to go back up to probably 107 kilopascals or something. And then I'm going to compress this and see how high of a pressure that we get.